Hello friends, my name is Yash Sharma and today I am going to give presentation on passport. So let's start.
What kind of document is a passport?
It is an official document.
Right. Who issues a passport?
Government issues a passport.
Right. How is a passport useful to a person?
For with passport, the person can travel to other foreign countries.
Right. Which is the minimum required document to pass a country's international boundaries?
Passport.
Right. According to international law, how is the passport helpful to citizens of any country?
It is a mean of identification. Travel to another country.
Right. It is issued on order of which officer in any country?
Highest officer.
Right. In India, on the order of which a passport is issued for a person?
The President of India.
Right. What makes a passport capable of any person?
ये शो करता है कि पर्सन की जो सिटीजनशिप है वो कौन सी कंट्री की है.
Right. How can a passport be used in international travel?
It shows a means of identification for that person.
Right. Who has a right to passport?
Government.
Right. What kind of authority does the government have regarding the passport?
Government about the issuing.
Okay, wrong. Who has full control over passport?
Government.
Right. What cannot be done with a passport?
Changes cannot be done.
Right. What type of document is a passport?
It is a valuable document.
Right. How should the passport be kept?
It should be kept very carefully.
Right. In what language is the information given in the Indian passport printed?
In Hindi and English language.
Right. Where is the personal information given in the passport?
On the front and the rear sides.
Right. What is done to prevent any tampering on front and cover page?
They are laminated.
Right. What information is given on the front cover page?
Information given on the first page are as follows: the photograph of the passenger, the name, surname, and the title, and also the expiry date of the issuing date of the passport, expiry date of the passport, the passport number, etc. Information are given.
Right. What information is written on the last cover page of the passport?
The information given on the last cover page are the file number, the living address of the passenger, and the name of the mother, father, and the guardian.
Right. Where does the symbol of India appear?
In the center of the front cover page.
Right. What is displayed at the center of the front cover?
Symbol of India.
Right. What is the word above the symbol of country?
Passport.
Right. Where is the passport word is written?
Above the symbol.
Right. What is the underlying symbol of a country?
Republic of India.
Right. Where is the Republic of India is written in the passport?
Under the symbol.
Right. How many pages are there in the passport?
36.
Right. Of a traveling person can offer how many pages of a passport?
60.
Right. To whom the 60 pages passport is issued?
For the frequent traveler.
Right. How long will the passport be valid depending on what?
It is depending. Pass.
What is the validity of a passport during the journey?
Minimum 10 years. Minimum 6 months before the travel.
Right. How old are the children usually need to keep a valid passport issued in their name?
16 and above.
Right. Why passport is issued?
Because when the traveler wants to travel to the foreign country, he requires a passport.
Right. What are the things to keep in mind while checking passports?
Things to keep in mind while checking passport are the date of the issuing and the date of expiry date of the passport and the nationality of the citizen.
Right. What are the documents that can be used instead of a passport?
National identity card, student card, and the seaman laser card, and the government issuing card.
Right. How many type of passports are there?
Normal passport, official passport, diplomatic passport, alien passport, laser passport, and the children identity card.
Right. Normal passport is issued to whom?
So all the normal citizens of this country.
Right. What color is the outer cover of a normal passport?
Blue.
Right. How many pages are there when issuing normal passports?
36.
Right. What permission can the normal passport holder have to take during the journey?
He required a visa and the pass.
Who is issued a diplomatic passport?
All the diplomats of the country and these people like all the celebrities, cricketers, musicians, etc.
Okay, right. Which category of people is eligible to issue a diplomatic passport in India?
Diplomatic passport are issued to all the diplomats, and these cricketers, all the sportsmen and the musicians, singers, celebrities, etc.
Okay, right. To which countries a diplomatic passport holder can travel?
Almost all the countries, very exceptions are there in some countries.
Okay, right. Can the family of a diplomatic passport holder be entitled to the issuance of a diplomatic passport?
Can you please repeat?
Can the family of diplomatic passport holder be entitled to the issuance of diplomatic passports?
Yes.
Right. To whom the official passport is issued?
For the officials of the government.
Right. What color is the cover of the official passport?
Whitish grey.
Right. Can a trip to a country be restricted for the official passport holder?
Yes.
Right. To whom the children's identity card is issued?
For the children who is not eligible for getting a passport.
Right. What are the children's identity card issued by the German government is called?
Sorry, I'm not able to pronounce it.
Okay. Right. Children's identity card issued by some countries is accepted in all the states.
Can you please?
Children's identity card issued by some countries is accepted in all the states.
Yes.
Wrong. Who is issuing an
No,
alien passport?
Thank you so much.